Ataru or Form 4 is an acrobatic and aggressive form of lightsaber combat. This form is mainly offensive and power consuming. Force power is important in this form, so users should use its power wisely. Um, First thing is when they stop blocking their lightsaber, you quickly press E. I did not meant to jump. You quickly press E and attack, and then you circle around them and attack. The other way is that when they're blocking, you can do that, and then just rapidly attack them in a strafing maneuver, or else you're gonna get hit more often. So just do this, because if they're very offensive, they won't let go of their block, and there's only 6 blocks if you have the regular lightsabers. If you have like double, there's like 10. So you gotta do this until the blocks are down, and then you can easily pick them off. Or you can, when they stop blocking, just do this, and then just do what you did for the first one when you press E. The second one is when there's multiple people, do the same thing, and then like do a spinning motion in a circle like this, and you can hit multiple people, damage multiple people for your fellow Jedi Knights to do damage. Might sacrifice yourself, but it's your final stand. So what do you want to do in this case is wait for them to release their lightsaber and attack, and as you can see, I damaged him. So when you get stunned, you can just control back like that. As you can see, I'm gonna get stunned, and then I flip back. So now we wait for him to release his lightsaber, like right now, and attack him. Now in this case, we are going to do a flip and go behind them and attack them. So now what you're going to do is find an opponent with a no blocking position and attack them. If it fails, then you can just press E and then strafe around them and attack him like that. It's useful if you have Gemso, if you're on low health. Okay, he has high latency, as you can see. Very high latency, he's lagging. Now I'm gonna press E and rotate and attack them. Since we are in a huge group, I can do more damage. And unfortunately, he has high latency, and he's technically dead, but he's gonna die right now. So when you do that, you can do a lot of damage, and it can help your fellow Jedis. And this is Berserk Breza, and peace out.